Hello and welcome. This is Cara, and I have another, well, unboxing, but it's a mailing envelope. Lynette from Cheaply Chic sent me her latest journal kit. So excited. So this is March, the March kit. And I will have the links below where you can go and purchase. It's a monthly subscription. And each month you get all these really cool goodies. And then she makes a journal you can use for the month. So if you have different journaling and memory keeping, this is perfect. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Look how cute. And this one is Home Sweet Home. Oh my gosh, I love the fabric, and she has sewing. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And then this ribbon closure. All right, let's look at this. Let's jump in. And then she has copy dyed pages, music sheets. So fun. And then different book pages. So this is perfect. And this is traveler notebook size. So it's great for, yeah, just great for monthly memory keeping. Oh, and there's a little envelope. So cute. This is so cute. And then she leaves the tassels nice and long so you can, or the strings nice and long so you can add your own dangles at the bottom. That's so fun. Look at all these pages. Some fun flip out paper. An advertisement for diced carrots. So fun. And then you get your goodies, your journaling goodies. These are so cool. I'm eyeballing this. That looks awesome. The beet seed packet. Oh my gosh. And then she has videos where she works in her journal, and then also the gals in her design team, they also make videos so you can get all sorts of wonderful ideas of things to use in the kit, or use in the journal from the kit. Words are hard. So in this little baggie, there's a safety pin and a bottle cap. Oh, and she even gives you the thing so you can cover it. That's awesome. And then she has a milk, what are these? Like the milk tops. And then some fibers here. And then some, oh, so you can make your own tassel. That's fun. And then some paper clips. And then I love this. This is so cool. The seed packet. And then a doily. So if you're just starting out, what a wonderful way to start out. And you get all these really fun goodies that you can use throughout the month. Love it. And this you can use in the journal. And then since it's Home Sweet Home, we have some journaling cards. So everything's related to the garden and farms, and really cool. Recipe cards. So that's really cool. Oh, this one folds out. That's fun. Classy envelope. I think she did some stamping, and it says made with love. An alteration tag. Love using these. This is a cool tag. And then a guest check. And then a fun coin envelope. Library card. Library pocket. Ooh, and it even has a sticker. Oh, that's nice. Oh, and the chickens. I love the chickens. So cute. That's part from the cover. And then here we have, look how fun. So she's curated all of these things for you, and you have it right here to put in your journal. I just love this. Oh, the chicken playing card. That's awesome. Look at all these fun bits. Oh my goodness, these tags. I love these tags. And then claim checks and tickets that match the colors. Oh my gosh. And some stickers. And then she did some die cutting for you. Oh, these are fun. The jars and hearts. Oh, with the little chicks. And the chickens. And these tickets. Oh my goodness. So fun. So she's done all sorts of work for you. And then you can go and do the fun crafty part. It's really cool. Let's just stick these in. I don't want to lose, oh, see, I don't want to lose all the hearts. Oh, and there's a little tag. So fun. All right, so let's put these bits back in here. Keep those together. Let's see. I'm just about to lose that one. Oh, and there's another one. Oh my goodness. And then she has some beads already threaded for you that you can add to your tassel. Oh, and these fun napkin. This napkin with the farm animals, and this one with the spots, polka dots, I mean. Well, that's cool. On this label. And then a red CD case, and then some scrapbook paper. That's awesome. And then some recipes. I love this edge. That's fun. And then we have some dictionary pages, some gardening book pages, vegetables, more book pages, and a music sheet. Ooh, and then this wallpaper. Wow, just a little bit of everything that you can totally use in the journal. How cool is this? So again, this is a monthly subscription, and look at all you get. It's amazing. And then you can use your bits and pieces, and I'm sure you would have leftover that you can use in another few projects, because wow, this is a lot of stuff. I will have the information linked below, and then I'm also gonna work in this journal. I'm super excited. So come back and we can get crafty together working in the journal. Okay, I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.